Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, I want to talk about, we'll answer the question, can you still make money taking surveys online in 2018? Is this still something that you can do, and actually earn some real money? And the answer is yes. Now, the only reason you won't make any money taking surveys is the fact that you're not registered with enough legit paid survey sites, right? You can look at any of the videos that I've done in the past about, getting paid to take surveys, blah, blah, blah. And pretty much it remains the same because paid surveys aren't going anywhere anytime soon that I can tell. But it's all about understanding what paid surveys are, what they're about, how much you really can earn with them. And then you got to ask yourself, how much time are you willing to put into the whole paid survey game, right? I personally always recommend people that ask about surveys, look at it as fun. Look at it as extra income. Do not look at it as a 9 to 5, I'm going to make, $2,000 a month doing paid surveys. Granted, like I've said before, it's possible, in my opinion, to make a couple hundred a month, and that's assuming you're registered with a lot of legit survey companies and you're actually checking your emails and you're taking the time to actually do the surveys. Because a lot of people that complain about taking surveys are people that they don't check their emails, or they don't do the actual surveys when they get invited to do it. So if you decide that you want to make some extra money doing surveys, realize that there are a lot of opportunities out there to earn some money doing surveys, but realize you do got to sit down and take these surveys. They will come your way. Like, definitely they will come your way. Some will take 20 minutes to do, 45 minutes to do. There are focus groups out there that you can register with, that if you get chosen to do, you can make a couple hundred just off of one focus group. But you really gotta get involved, look at it as fun, but realize that you have to take it a little serious. You know what I mean? It's not a 9 to 5, but that's my advice on it. You can make money in 2018 taking paid surveys. Now, one company that I recommended before, it has pretty good reviews, is Survey Club. All right. Now, the key with Survey Club is just like I said throughout this video. Once you join, it is free to join, absolutely free. But the key is you want to sign up with as many survey sites once you get over there, as many survey sites as you can, because the more you sign up with, the more opportunities you'll get. I also recommend, if you don't have like a spare email or email that you don't use a lot, you can create, I'm talking a lot, you can create a brand new email strictly for survey invites. Because once you join Survey Club and you join register with different companies, you will start getting a lot of emails and things like that. So you don't want your normal email to be interfered with survey invites, whatever. That's just my advice. That's my tip. Do what you want to do. So if you want to check out Survey Club, you can, link in the description of this video. Super easy to sign up with. And if you have any questions about it, comments, leave them, because I do read them. All right. Be sure to subscribe and hit that little notification bell thingy. And I will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.